It was a snowy night at Innovative Garage Door, and we just put in a 16x7 CD13 with a solid top. I think this door looks dynamite with no windows. Actually, it looks great, man. This detached garage, super sweet looking. It's a little dirty, got caught in the snow here and it's icy and stuff, but this is the 1 3/8 section, base section with the overlayment, the awesome Clopay overlayment, and working gauge hardware, nylon ball wheels, got the good springs up there. We're finishing up here, late night on a weekend. Awesome garage door by Clopay. Nice hangs up there, rehung the opener, did a sweet job over here. Go this way, show you a little bit of the door here. I love the Coachman overlayment. It's super sweet. Wood grain with the bevel on it. I love it. So there it is, Coachman with a solid top. For all your door needs, Innovative Garage Door. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We will like you. There it is. Go a little sideways there. There you go. 16x7. CD13. As always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Coachman video with the solid top.